Hey guys, it's LT from Daily Dummies, and I came to give you guys a little fireworks display on the 4th of July. So I hope you had a good 4th of July. There's about an hour of it left back here on Central Time in Illinois. On Central Time. So if you're like not American or something, this might just be a random Wednesday, whatever. Also, fun fact, America turned 214, not 241, not 214, just flip the numbers around. But anyway, let's get the video underway. One sec. Actually, this should be the opening pyro for Raw, so anyone from Raw or SmackDown, or any pay-per-view, take note, this is how you do a pyro entrance. That's called a pyro. So guys, what did you do today? I'm not doing very many fireworks so you can hear me. So what did you guys do today? I went to 2 parades, got a boatload of candy, and I'm gonna have to like go to the dentist because of a toothache or something. I'm not that big on candy. I don't eat that much candy, really. And so, real quick, I'm gonna try to do the Shimsuke Nakamura theme song. I think that was pretty good. I hope it was good. Nah, probably not. My singing is terrible. Even though my last name is Spears, I do not have singing talent like Britney. What's your favorite color of firework? Mine is blue. That's just my favorite color in general, and also I don't see it that much. But to be fair, I don't see very many color fireworks anyway. I'm not talking much while I'm doing the fireworks because I did like a but tried this before, and I could barely hear myself over the fireworks. That's why I'm not doing very many. Okay, here's a smiley face. Here's a frowny face. Here's a confused face. And here's what my brother looks like when he doesn't want to get out of bed. That kind of face. Yes, he looked like that. One time when we were going on a trip, I woke him up at like 4 in the morning, and he like kicked me off of his bed, pushed me into my old wrestling bed at the time, and then flipped it on top of me, and then he went back to sleep. Can you believe him? I can't believe he did that. The despicable man he is. Actually, I'm older than him, so not that. But I did send him to the hospital a few years ago when we were wrestling. I counted the walls of Jericho, and he went face first into the wooden floor. So I'm not so innocent after all. Anyway, so I'm going to be starting an I Try series where I like download different games that you guys suggest, and I'm going to be playing them here for you guys. So if you want that, just leave a like or a comment or something in the comment section below, and I will do that. You can also pick the games I play. any game would do. I have a few games on my phone. I have blindfold games and I can't really see. And then I have like regular games. I have Day of Immortal, Day of Recap Mania, which they're shutting down on July 31st, which is terrible. I love that game. I also have Subway Surfers and Fruit Ninja. So I could like play one of those, or I can download another game. And so I'm going to wrap this up here. Be right back. Okay, so Mom, I'm recording here. Okay, so like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and deuces. And happy 4th of July, not January or February or March, any other month, July.